Hello, my name is Anna Somerson. I study business administration, and today I want to give my opinion on the possible negative effect the technology on the environment. My opinion about the possible effect the technology on the environment. I believe that technology should be used to our advantage to bring benefits that they contribute to sustainability on the environment. Renewable energy, solar, wind, hydroelectric, smart house building, and even electric cars, where will eliminate emission of the pollutant gases that are very evident in the world. Let's take advantage of the technology that's drive mechanics to take care our environment. A negative effect of the technology on the environment. I consider that the negative effect on the technology on the environment has impact on destruction of forests and where natural resources are not longer renewable. Industrial air pollution, car polluting gases, hunting and fishing indiscriminate just by finding oil is leading us to the destruction of our planet, and we are gradually trimming human life and a system. And sadly, governments don't take action to prevent and rise wearing this is so important to the world. It's necessary to implement mechanisms where habit and change the share occurring for our mother earth. How do you see future of our planet? In fact, we no longer ask to save environment. I see the future of our in certain planets. Natural resources will be depleted to the uncontrolled human consumption. Animal speed will disappear. High temperatures due the climate change, large environmental disaster will wipe out human life, and all because of the life of a warren and love of human being for our planet. Oh, oh, oh. Um, how to mitigate the environmental damage? With this simple step, we can mitigate environmental damage. One, using the energy efficiently. Two, use water responsibly. Three, recycle. Four, about using the car and drive your vehicle more. Um, Thank you. Bye bye.